Welcome back Bitcoin World Crypto channel. Friends, today we will discuss new project which name it's Mind.club. Basically it is NFT marketplace plus social media. Although we have already joined many NFTs platform, but this project is quite different from others because it is not only NFT marketplace but also a social media platform where you can engage yourself and you can share, upload videos and CD, 3D, NFTs and other social activities you can do there. They will launch their application for Google Play Store and for App Store soon. Social Plus Marketplace for officially licensed sports NFTs, and this is the interface of this application. Mobile first, climate neutral, pay in crypto or fiat, curated sport community, no crypto wallet necessary, ether compatible. These are the key functions of this mobile application, and this is the detail of mint condition. They will give you NFT collectible directly from the source of guaranteed authenticity. Get off the bench and start collecting. Support most show-stopping movements. And this is the detail of green built on the Near blockchain. It's Mind NFT minting uses 2 million times lesser energy than Ethereum based NFTs. We are deeply committed to a sustainable blockchain future. So this blockchain is based on Near, as you can see here, built on the Near blockchain. And the white glove service, every team, brand, athletes and club settle to participate on its Mind benefits from personalized on boarding, similar reach your fan faster. Tech stack, robust technology stake for seamless user experience. Filecoin, React, Tankney, MoonPay, BitPay, DNS. And this is the button of staking pool. When you click on it, this is the page. Staking Mine. Mine is Web20 multi-utility token used for ecosystem participation, treasury and governance. Staking is the process of holding token in a cryptocurrency wallet to support the operation of the network. Participants are rewarded for depositing and holding coins with a consistent guaranteed time-based return. Rewards are calculated based on staking time. The longer you stake, more you get reward, and this is the Mine holders. You can also check out here 100% APY interest. However, if you withdraw before the 90 days, you get 20% APY. To be eligible for this pool, you must take a minimum of 10,000 Mine tokens. Here you can read more about officially licensed NFTs, collectibles, metaverse items, social token and more. NFTs provide creators the opportunity to capture the full value of their work. They sell their work on one-time payment or program their NFT to auto receive royalties every time in change hand in the future. And this is curated collection detail and green NFT detail. You can also read out these blogs about its Mind.club, and these are their supportive partners: Near Blockchain, Hype, Protocol Labs, True Panel, Black Dragon, OIG. And this is all about this project. Its bounty is live. If someone is interested, I will provide the link in video description. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching.